Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. I'm Yinky and I'll be showing you how to make a kimono jacket in this short tutorial. So if this tutorial is what you're looking for, let's get started. So the first thing you need is 2 yards of fabric. You can use any type of fabric you like to make this kind of jacket or robe. And you also need a plain fabric for the center design. So what we are making is what you saw on the screen at the beginning of this video. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so before the end of this tutorial, as lots of amazing tutorials are with you on this channel. So here I'll be folding my fabric into two, and after folding into two I'll fold into four. So after when you fold, after folding into four, you're going to have it like this. Then you're going to take the circumference measurement of your hip, is what I'm trying to check. Take circumference measurement of hip divided by 4. Like if you are using hip 40, divided by 4 will give you 10, and add extra 5 inches because it's a kind of robe. It's a free dress and it must be comfortable. Here I'm going to take the dress length. The dress length is 39 inches. The dress length is 39 inches, as you can see. So here, after you have taken your dress length, it might be shorter or longer than this. Take the shoulder divided by 2. I have 15 inches plus half an inch gives me 8 inches. So I just input 8 on the shoulder here. And here I'm going to take the vertical measurement. The bust on the vertical is 9, is 10 inches, is 10 inches, and the half length is 16. The half length is 16 on the vertical. So here I take 2 inches above the breast point, which gives me the upper chest, and it gives us the armhole curve. So I just input the armhole curve. I'm going to input my bust measurement divided by 4, and also on my half length, this is half length or the waist, I input the circumference measurement divided by 4 also, and added my extra 5 inches sewing allowance and extra ease allowance. So you can make it 4 inches because I just made it 5 because I want it to be very wide. So here the neck width is 4 inches. That neck width will start serve for the front and back, because you can see that we are cutting the front and back together the way we are folded into 4. So here I added hemming allowance of 1 inch or 1.5. You can add hemming allowance of 1 inch or 1.5 on the down part. Then I cut out. So after I cut it out, I'm going to separate the front from the back. So I'll be separating the front from the back after I have cut it out. It's very easy to make because this is a very simple design that can be made by even so here I measured 9 inches from up, 9 inches, and here I will measure 1 inch from the center front, 1 inch from the center front. So here I want to create the V shape on the center front. So I just created the V shape on the center. I connected to the 4 inches we measure for the neck width. So 1 inch at the center front, I will measure the 1 inch down to the M line of this front piece. So this front piece, this is for the front. So I'll just measure that 1 inch down. So that's the black, the part we use the black material to tape. So here I will just, so it will go at this front piece, this black will do the collar. So it will do the stand-up collar that extends to the back. So I will just extend that 1 inch down. So that means if I'm going to place the black piece now, the black piece must be 1.5 plus sewing allowance. So here you can see a curve on that M line. I just made a curve, a bent curve of 3 inches, and I bend it. It's not compulsory. It depends. It depends on what you want. You may decide not to put the curve. So I will just cut it out like so. I will remove this like so. So this place that I just removed will be replaced by the black material. So after I have done that, I'm done with my cutting already. The next thing to do is to attach together on the shoulder. So this is the way I will attach it together on the shoulder and join the shoulder to shoulder together to have a single piece. So our rope is almost forming. So here you have joined your center front, your your back and your front together. So I will just connect by half of an inch like so and slant it up like this. So after I have joined it together, I'll go ahead and fold the black material I want to use. I'll fold it and measure, cut out, unfold 3 inches unfold for each, 3 inches unfold. So whatever I have here, I will have taken the measurement on the rope, starting from the center back to the front, to the front hem. So the measurement that I have there is what I'm inputting here, so that this black piece will go from the back through to the front hem. Do you get what I'm saying? So first of all, I didn't do that the video of that place. You need to take the measurement of where you want to place this black piece. So after you have taken the measurement may be around 60. Then you come and cut out for the length. Then unfold, I have 3. Unfold, I have 1.5. When I open it up, I have 3 inches. So I'll go and iron it, but don't forget to put air stay when you are ironing that in black material. Put air stay, that's fusible interfacing, so that it will be firm and it will look neat. So here I have my sleeve. So I'm going to fold into 2, but and later fold into 4. When I folded into 2, I'm using the upper arm circumference. You must use your upper arm circumference to fold. So the upper arm circumference I need here is just like I need like 18 inches for the armhole circumference. So I use that measurement to unfold. So here now I take the sleeve length and added half of an inch on the hem line of the sleeve. Sleeve length 23 is what I just took, and add half of an inch for the hem, for the sleeve hem. And here is the armhole circumference. The armhole circumference is 18 divided by 2 will give me 9. So I have 10 here plus sewing allowance. So I've measured that, or take 3 inches off here, and whatever is remaining, you are going to check if it can take your armhole circumference, so that the armhole will not be tight. So like I told you, I have 18 armhole circumference divided by 2 give me 9. So I have 10 here. So this 10 will be able to do the armhole circumference. So I'll just curve it up like this. I've chalked my armhole circumference, and here is my upper arm round sleeve. So upper arm round sleeve is 16 divided by 2 will give me 8. I've added sewing allowance anyway, because upper arm round sleeve is 14. So I added 1, making 8. So I'll connect to my hem. So the hem, I put the hem line measurement of the sleeve also as 10 divided by 2 gives me 5. So I notched out and notched everywhere that I supposed to notch, and I'm going to fix a black material on the sleeve hem also. So the black material that I use here will be also attached to the sleeve hem. So here is my stand-up collar that will extend to the back. So I'm going to start, because I joined together. I joined this black together, because one, if you have enough material, you can just cut it at once. But if you don't have enough material, you need to have a joining. So the joining must stay at the back. So make sure you match the joining line with the center back if there is a joining at all. So you can see that I have after I have folded it up, I have ironed it, and I put air stay, fusible interfacing in between this band, so that it will be very neat and it will stay. So here I'm going to pin up. So this is how I'm going to attach it. I'll pin it up and attach it like so. I'll just go ahead and pin it up and attach it with my pin. I'm going to place it with my pin and go ahead and do this. So till I get to the end of it, that's why I said you're going to take the measurement here before you cut the black. You need to take the measurement that is here, so that you will know the length that is here, so that you won't cut what is not enough. So sorry. And if it's better if you have enough, more than enough, you can see that this is remaining, so you can cut the remaining off. So if it is not enough, it won't be okay, because you will need to go and cut another one. So this is how it will be after you have pinned it, and you can go ahead to your sewing machine and just sew it. So here is my sleeve. Sorry, here is my sleeve. here is my sleeve. I have attached the band, the black band on the sleeve hem, and I have two sleeves. So here is my sleeve. It's a long sleeve, so I'll be attaching the long sleeve to the armhole side. So that's what I want to do here. So I've fixed the black stand-up collar and remaining the sleeve part. So I'll just place the sleeve like so. I will match this part with the shoulder, because this part is like the half of the sleeve. So I will match it with the shoulder and the tip of the shoulder, then I will just stitch like so. So there are different methods in which you can attach your sleeve. This is one of the several methods you can use to attach sleeve, especially to something like this, like you are making like a shirt, and you need the armhole need to be free. The armhole needs to be free. That's why I'm using this method. And I'll go to the other side and also stitch through to the armhole line like so, and you can see it's the exact measurement on the armhole. So my sleeve is ready. I'll do same to the other armhole. So I'll just fold towards the wrong side. So I can turn to the wrong side and fold towards the wrong side and input my measurement, and my jacket is ready. So this is a very simple design you can make. Just input your measurement, the measurement you have on your sleeve, input it, and I'm going to use just 1 inch sewing allowance on the bodies. 1 inch sewing allowance is what I will use on the bodies. I will just go ahead with 1 inch sewing allowance through to the hem line, and I have input my measurement. So whatever I do to this side, I will do to the other side after I have fixed my sleeve. And my rope is ready. So after I have done that, I will make my belt. So you can just make a belt of don't let the inches of your belt be more than what you use for your collar. So like on fold, you can have 2 inches for your belt, or you can have 1.5 on fold. That means if it is not on fold, it will be 3 inches. So just make a belt and apply the belt on your robe. And this tutorial is almost getting to the end, and this is what I have made my belt. You can see the inches of my belt is just 1.5 on fold, and I'm going to just slay it on my mannequin just now, and this is the outcome. You can see how beautiful this outcome is. So follow this process and you are also going to have the same result as mine. If this video has been helpful, please give it a thumbs up, like, and also share this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, as lots of amazing tutorials await you on this channel. Until then, take good care of yourself. Bye for now.